Wintools Industrial Company Limited was established in 2007. It is a professional manufacturing and trading combo. Our business includes automotive tools, tool cabinet, and related hand tools. After 15 years of development, we have owned 12 departments: General Manager Department, R&D Department, Production Department, QC Department, and Technique Support Department, Purchasing Department, Sales Department, E-commerce Department, Design Department, Financial, HR, and Administrative Department, with over 3,000 cubic meters quality test center and warehouse. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, the laboratory is equipped with nearly 80 test equipments and instruments, including salt spray test, electric safety test, endurance test, etc. New products will be carried out strictly quality test before mass production. Control every point we can. Company with its own complete development system. Many items we are original supplier, supply exclusively. Our experienced R&D staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure fulfill customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, reasonable MOQ, fast delivery, qualified products, and competitive prices. OEM and ODM is available. Please advise us your sourcing requirements. No cheating, no harm to consumers. Stand by our customers. This is always our goal, to keep long-term relationships. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world come to us.